Okay, go ahead.
Inside here is copper tubing, like this.
Copper's expensive, dude.
Yeah, I know. That's why this is nice to take apart. Okay, copper tubing.
Copper's
like that piece right there. And
yeah.
This section right here I'm breaking off.
Yeah.
And then there's copper wire.
That's expensive too.
And then there's a tank that's made out of copper and metal. And pipes that go to it that are made out of copper. So, we got some business.
We got some business.
And inside here is a fan.
Alright, how do we get to the copper?
How do we get to the copper? Like this. Now. Boom!
Alright, let's see what else you got.
Okay, now. Now if you look very closely, what is this? Huh? What is this?
Copper tubing.
Yeah, and what does it connect to?
The engine.
Copper pipe.
Compressor fan.
Connected to copper wire.